Marauders, welcome back to the channel. I've been waiting for this package for a while. This I had to get from Revzilla. No one had this locally. Let's open it up and you can see, well, you're gonna know what's inside. It's my new jacket. We'll see how it fits together. Always worried they're gonna ship a size too small. They said on the FedEx notice on the package, it said that this weighed 12 pounds. It is a, well, I kind of like the color. Wasn't sure how I was going to like the color. Wow, it is heavy. So I would have thought the cardboard weighed 2 pounds. I don't think the cardboard weighs 2 pounds. This is a heavy jacket. Let's open it up. I don't have, until I ordered this, I don't have a motorcycle rain jacket or wet jacket. And really, I don't have a motorcycle jacket for to ride in the late fall. So I needed a jacket to ride in the late fall, possibly the winter on a nice day, and also to, I needed a jacket for the fall, winter, and spring. Possibly I might wear this in the summer if the venting works well on it. But I ordered a Klim Badlands jacket from Revzilla, and it's a size extra large. I've lost 2 sizes in the last 4 months in my quest to get in shape for riding a motorcycle. And I'm hoping to lose another 25 pounds from where I'm at now to ride off-road motorcycle. I just don't think I'm in good enough shape, and I'm working on it really hard. So let's, I kind of like the colors. Wow. You know, you could argue about Klim. You can argue about Klim, the cost. No doubt they are expensive. You can argue about Klim, the cost. You can't argue about the quality. Their quality is fantastic. Okay, Marauders, a moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. Shout out to Big Rock Moto for his advice on riding the gear. He did an example, compared this jacket, the Badlands, against the Klim Carlsbad, another great jacket. I really wanted to go with the Badlands for the extra, just a little better protection for the rider. But it is heavy, guys. It does have a waist belt with some Velcro adjustments on it. Oh wow, it does have a backpack armor. It does have shoulder armor that's custom fit into the side of the jacket. It also has elbow armor. It has some padding in the front. I'd like to replace that with some better armor. It says it's an extra large regular. Wow. Wow. Is this? It fits. It just fits. I better keep losing weight. I'm going to be in trouble. But it does fit me. I have a thick... Wow. Does this... What do you think of this jacket, guys? It does fit. I'm happy. And my other jackets that I bought, one is a Harley Davidson leather jacket. When I thought I was going to buy a Harley, it was, I bought it on sale, discontinued. And that's a 3X, and that fit me 3-4 months ago. That fit me, was a little big, not a lot. Now it's really big. So I didn't want to get another jacket that was too big. And more incentive for me not to gain weight. But this is... you certainly feel protected in this jacket. Now it's heavy to put on. Frankly, it's heavy. When you pick this up, it's heavy. Once it's on you, to move your arms is excellent. I don't notice the weight when it's on. Now I've been hitting the gym pretty hard lately, but it the movement in it, once it's on, you don't notice the weight, and it's really heavy. I forgot to put the waist. Wow, that's like a girdle. The waistband's like a girdle. Okay, let's get this on. The waistband is weird. It gives you, well, I gotta adjust it more. It's probably really tight on me. It gives you a lot of back support. That's a surprise. This thing has pockets galore and vents on it. Let me see how it looks with my Klim Cryos Pro Rally helmet. Like, not only do I think this jacket's rainproof, I think it's bulletproof. I'm a model today. The strap was twisted, that's why I couldn't get it on connected. It connects really fast, and watch how easy it comes undone. Very easy. By the way, this is the best. I have bought 3 helmet bags. This is the best helmet bag out of all of them. I'm going to buy another one. It's also the perfect size for the pannier on the Ducatis. To fit inside the pannier on the Ducatis. So they're probably going to sell out like crazy once people hear that. So I want to do one more test. I have a bulky sweatshirt. I just want to make sure it fits on under this. But I would say, I think I'm going to put, when I'm running the highway, I'm going to put my Easy Pass in here, which I just got. That was not fun. A ton of vents. Vent here. All these are vents on the jacket. Forearm vent. Bicep vent. Obviously both arms. This is a document, emergency document. You've seen these if you're looking for jackets, you've seen them online. The elbow pad comes all the way down to here. All the way down to here, great protection. The fabric, can you see what this is made of on these shoulders? This KTM pullover, long sleeve pullover, it's like a medium weight. I wouldn't say it's real heavy. It's not real thin either, like Under Armour, so it's a medium weight. This Honda sweatshirt is much heavier. Okay, just want to make sure that's right. Let's put these on and see if there's enough room in here. Now, I know from trying on the Carlsbad jacket, I cannot wear my tech vest underneath this. I have a Klim tech vest. It will not fit, but this has more than enough armor. Maybe not as much as a tech vest. I'm already starting to sweat. This is too much. I don't even think I could ride like this. One too many layers. And I think I'm good, guys. Frankly, I think it's fun. I'm actually getting really hot. I got too much on. But I think this works out well. It's funny, I started off by saying camera was up. It's funny what you collect. For off-road riding, I had these gloves. I mean, this is going back, not decades, but over 10 years. You know, and you wonder how I chose these gloves. But I think they're a pretty good match. I actually got these for off-road riding. And again, these gloves are old. And I wear these in the winter, you know, cleaning, shoveling the driveway. But I think that's a pretty good match with those. Not that I want to be too matchy, but I think those work. And I think I'm happy with the jacket. How do you think it looks? Okay, so let's go through this quickly. And I don't have a model that can do it, so I'm going to have to do it. So this is a document. They say this symbol is universal for medical paperwork. I'm wondering if I should put something in there for my diabetes. I also thought it might be good for the guys if something does happen to me on my trail. maybe to put a copy of my health insurance card in there, my license plate, and maybe something about my diabetes. This is a vent with a two-way zipper here. Vent, vent, here, vent, and a pocket. And I say they're not watertight, but they are pockets. Tactical straps if you want to put something on tactically. I really don't. Pocket. They say for your universal locator, say something goes wrong. I might look into one of those, but for now, I'm going to put my Easy Pass in here. I already showed you the pockets here. This pocket has a little pocket inside it to put things. I don't believe these are waterproof. And they have a flap. Both collars hook over. I'm not going to get that lucky doing this one, but both collars hook over like that on these little hooks that are here for venting. Boy, I'm doing a pretty good job with this, aren't I? Maybe I've seen enough videos online. I think this is waterproof, this pocket. Oh yeah, definitely. This pocket here on the inside. Armor, the armor in the chest is thin. They do make a heavier duty armor I have to get. Oh, but before we go on the back. Pocket here, back here. You can see them vents on the back of the arm, on the back of the arm. On the back, underneath my shoulder blades, there's vents to let the air coming in, let that air coming out. Another pocket here. I thought there was two on this side. Oh, a little pocket here for something. Not a bad spot for an Easy Pass either. That's it. I thought there was another pocket on the inside. I guess there's not. Pockets galore on this thing. More than I'll ever use. That's to get the armor out. There's a zipper here for armor. So I think that's it. Draw strap on the inside, if you can see this. Draw bat to stitch it up. I did not. I thought I was going to pull this out after watching some videos like Big Rock Moto. This waist strap. I actually like it. It's almost a back support for it. Sorry to ramble on, guys. I'm happy. Happy the way it fits. Another pocket here underneath this. I missed that one, I think. By the way, another pocket under this pocket. Not a vent. These are pockets. They might be close to waterproof. These are lined both inside and out. So two pockets up here, two pockets here. Then the vents can also serve as pockets if they're not open. And pocket in the arm. I think I covered the pockets. These are vents. One vent. I think that's it. This nice touch, little leather wrap around the wrist. On a cold rainy day, tighten it up around your wrist. Tighten up. If it is good sign I've been going to the gym. It's snug on my arm. But you can tighten these straps on your arm. This one's really to hold the armor in place. And that's a vent on the bus ups. Wow, I'm really happy with this. Very heavy fabric. Let's flip it open. Again, the cover strap. And by the way, you can zip it up from the bottom for venting if you want, or if it's uncomfortable on the bike, zip it from the bottom. Let's open it up. Level 2 back armor on it. The chest armor is just a foam pad, if anything. I believe someone sells, I saw it online, heavier duty level 1 chest armor, not level 2 chest armor for it's a little heavier duty. I'm not going to turn it inside out, but then your level 2 shoulder armor on each side. the elbow armor, and this is their heavier fabric. Their heavier fabric runs down over your shoulder, over your elbow. I think on the A3, Pro A3, it comes all the way down and is on the front. But that's what it looks like on the inside. This is the top of the line Gore-Tex. That's it. I think I'm pretty happy with it. And maybe we'll see how it looks on the bike. I'll carry some of this stuff upstairs, see how it looks on the bike. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. And I think I do have to get a heated undergarment for it and get it wired in, an electric undergarment to go underneath it. But now all the vents are closed. It's probably 55, 60 degrees in this garage. I'm comfortable, but I'm a little, I can see the warmth creeping up. This collar is nice, but I can see, you know, during moderate weather, this is going to be opened up and these are going to be peeled back. That's a little tight on my neck. But you tell me, I think it fits very well in the stomach and the back. It's not bunching up, and I don't have my riding pants on. This video wasn't intended to be this quick. But I'm very pleased with the jacket. Not very extremely pleased. I was excited to get it. Very, very comfortable. Shouldn't be surprised at all. You see, now she's shut off and the suspension stiffens right up. See, it won't move. It's a win, guys. Let's see how it looks on the dual sport. I can just throw my leg over on the dual sport. I think she's awesome. She's a win. I love that waistband. Oh man, I want to ride this thing. Marauders, that's it. Wanted to show you the jacket. I'm really pleased with it. Hope you found the video interesting. Real world purchase. Thank you to all of those who made videos about this jacket. I'm pleased with it. Can't wait to show it to you when I'm riding the bike. Hope to see you on the trail. Have a great day. I really think I'm going to try to ride the Ducati during the winter time. Maybe even the dual sport KTM on a nice day during the winter. I have another set of rims and I mounted the OEM tires on it. So even if I get street time on the KTM during the winter, and want to get a little riding time in during the winter. Thank you, guys. Who wants to see me? Look at the bikes.